Hi guys, I'm Imani.
Hi, I'm Lamari.
And it is 12 o'clock midnight. And we are up singing songs.
And yes, my hair is wrapped up.
We're about to sing Can You Stand the Rain by New Edition a cappella. So hope you guys like it. Comment and subscribe, please. Let us know what you think.
मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ
On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. And when it's not possible, tell me, can you weather the storm?
'Cause I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times, the bad times. You will always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, this we know for sure. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain?
Love unconditional. I'm not asking this of you. You know how much, just to make it last. I'll do whatever needs to be done.
'Cause I need somebody who'll stand by me through the good times, the bad times. You will always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come, this we know for sure. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Well, that was it. I hope y'all enjoyed it.